everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to block payments on Revolut. So first thing you're going to need to do is open the Revolut application and then just log into your account if needed. Once you're here in the home page, you can see here all the users or the people that you have sent payment or have sent payment to you. So you can choose any user that you want to block the payments from. So let's say for example this one first, the bolt. I'll tap on this one. And then at the top beside the split bill, you can see that there is block future payments. So since we want to block payments on Revolut, we just have to tap on this one. And right after you tap on that, this will pop up. So are you sure you want to block the bolt? So since we want to block, you just have to tap on yes, block merchant. And that's it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!